Doxepin, Silanor, belongs to tricyclic antidepressants. It works by blocking histamine receptors in the brain, allowing you to sleep through the night and avoid waking up too early. Esopiclone, Lunesta, is a hypnotic sedative that helps you fall and remain asleep. Esopiclone, Lunesta, can also be used for the treatment of conditions other than insomnia. Estazolam is a sleeping aid that can help you fall and stay asleep. It is not a first-line treatment option for sleeping difficulty, and it is only intended for short-term use because it can form a habit. Estazolam is a type of benzodiazepine. It affects brain chemicals to calm your nervous system, allowing you to fall and stay asleep. Lemborexant Dayvigo is a prescription sleep aid that belongs to the orexin antagonists class and treats insomnia symptoms. It can be used on its own or in conjunction with other medications. Dayvigo's safety and effectiveness in children are unknown. Rameltian, Rosarem, falls into the category of CNS, central nervous system, depressants. Medications under this group slow down the nervous system's activity, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Suvorexant Belsomra is a sleep aid for adults who have difficulty falling or staying asleep. It is not known to be safe or effective in children under 18. Zaloplon Sonata is a sleep medicine that treats certain types of insomnia. Sonata is a sedative hypnotic and on-benzodiazepine medication that works on your brain's GABA receptors to make you drowsy and sleepy. Because it works quickly, you should only take it before going to bed. However, these pills do not help people who wake up too early in the morning or wake up multiple times during the night. Zolpidem Ambien takes effect in about an hour and is usually prescribed for only up to 4 weeks. It helps you fall asleep faster and makes you less likely to wake up at night. Zolpidem is available in tablet form and can only be obtained with a prescription. Triazolam Halcion may help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and sleep better by reducing the number of times you wake up during the night. It belongs to the benzodiazepine drug class and produces a calming effect on your brain. This medication is typically used for short treatment periods of 1 to 2 weeks or less. Temazepam, Restoral, is a short-term treatment option for people who have difficulty sleeping. The medication usually takes 1 to 2 hours to work and is only taken for 7 to 10 days.